Alright, just a brief history lesson for this general area here, Warm Springs, Georgia, Pine Mountain, Georgia, Callaway Gardens. Franklin Delano Roosevelt, this was one of his favorite spots. He came here because he felt like the waters in Warm Spring helped his polio. I'll shoot up a picture of the little White House as well. Coming up on the memorial rock because in 1953 they had a plane crash here on Pine Mountain. This is it here. Okay, 1953. United States Air Force, they had a plane that crashed here. 5 people on board. 4 were killed, 1 survived. Now, what they did, they put this memorial plaque up here. And on Memorial Day, they put a red, white, and blue ribbon, as well as the flags on top. Jim Hall, the mountain governor, I guess you could say, that takes care of all the trail maintenance and heads up the Pine Mountain Trail Association. He drilled 5 holes on the top so they can insert the flags. Now I'll insert a screenshot here for you so you can see what it looks like. Here you can see 5 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the back is 5. Supposedly that's for the survivor. When he leaves, they'll place another flag here so he could be with his comrades.
And does this trail loop around? Yes.
You'll kind of look happy when you come by the camera, okay?
I did a little slide for it. Do you see it?
You did that, you know, you did that last week too, by the way. Did you see it?
Yeah, it's probably time for me to change my shoes out. Losing my traction.
All right. All right, there you go. Okay.
Eglin. Air Force Base. I believe the one that survived is still alive, I think.
A Navy from New Jersey. He was 19 years old.
53, yeah. He'd be in his 70s.
Yeah.
It was on Google. Tell you all about it. They back there. 5 holes.
Okay. They have holes back there that they put, and they put flags.
And a ribbon. They put a red, white, and blue ribbon. Actually, if you watch the video, I've got a screenshot that shows you what it looks like on Memorial Day.
Oh, neat. Okay.
How neat.
Yeah.
But Jim Hall told me they only put 4 flags because that was in the 5th, but in the snaps, in the screenshot, you'll see 5 flags.
Okay.
Let the boss get up there with her saw. If it's too big, report it to Jim Hall. They'll send a crew out and do it. You're going to be wore out before you finish this hike, Michelle.
Good exercise.
Okay.
Here we go.
There we go. All right, go.
And when you just jump up there and kind of do a chin up.
All right. Go ahead. Interesting tree. Look like an oak tree of some kind.
Nobody's going to sit in the living room chair. I'm going to put back and everything. Check my body.
End of the trail.
Go take a shower.
Yeah. Yeah, finished.
New leader, California.
California Debbie.
Representing.
Come on, Paula, you got it now.
We made it.
Yep. All righty. Yes. Finished. All right, we senior hiker with Paula. We just finished our 4.3 mile hike, and Paula, within the first mile of her hike, the bottom of her shoe fell off, and I pulled the tape down. You don't mind showing them what happened? Anyway. And actually,
I'm sorry, let's go like that. John, that's cute. Show them how that falls off like that.
yeah, actually, fortunately, I had Gorilla Tape with me, and she hiked a little over 3 miles with that Gorilla Tape. That's amazing. You have to carry some with you. You really have to carry some with you.
Thank you very much, John. I appreciate
You're certainly
that.
welcome. Glad to help you. I carried that for 5 years. Finally got to use it.